welcome to my bathroom, guys. I really need to wash my hair. Before I actually take off my bonnet of doom, let me go ahead and just give you a little backstory on my hair. Roughly like 3 to 4 months ago, I cut off like 2 to 3 inches of my hair because I was doing a lot of back-to-back protective styles, and I found that it made my ends like super crazy. For a long time, the protective style that I was using was really good for my hair, but I think I started to use a new like braiding product that actually broke off my hair. And now I'm basically trying to maintain the health of my hair, and I am trying to grow it back and grow it longer. So this is kind of my hair care journey. I just want to see how long my hair will get, and then honestly in a few years I'll probably chop it all off. Also, you are seeing me crusty lips and all. I have done nothing productive today. So my hair type 3C4A, more on the 4A side. I have really tight coils. I tried out some twist outs and braid outs this week, and it really worked out well for me. But then on the last day, I was like, I don't care anymore, and I threw my hair in this weird ponytail. Today I'm going to wash my hair, deep condition, and then I'm actually gonna style it for the week. So this is the hair, and it's semi-stretched state, and we gotta make this look better. Before I get any questions, my curls are really tight, my hair is really fluffy, but it's not very thick at all. I've been natural for, I don't know, like 10 years because I am just lazy and I didn't want to keep getting relaxers, so that's why I'm natural. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and do my lazy girl hair routine. I don't know if this is really gonna be that lazy, but this is lazy for me. It's gonna be really quick.
And of course, we're gonna start off by jumping into the shower. I like to completely drench my hair using lukewarm water, and then I grab this Suave shampoo. I really like this shampoo because it smells good and it does a really good job of getting a nice lather and getting rid of all of my product buildup. During the first wash, I really focus on getting that product off of my scalp, making sure my scalp is nice and clean. Then I go in and wash my hair with the same product for a second time to really make sure my hair is absolutely clean and there's no product on my strands. After I've rinsed all of the shampoo out of my hair, I then go in with this super affordable Suave conditioner and I apply it liberally all over my strands. I love this product because it has great slip. If you don't know what slip means, it basically is the ability of my fingers to easily go through my hair and detangle. If you haven't noticed, I do not use combs very often in my styling processes because my curls are so small, it tends to make my curls snag a little bit. When I use this conditioner, the slip in the product really helps me easily finger detangle my hair while I'm washing it. And here's a quick length check so I can make sure my hair is growing. That's basically my entire wash routine. Now I'm just going to pin up my hair really quickly and finish my shower. See you in a second. And this is what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. It's still very moisturized because I use moisturizing shampoos, but we want to add a little bit more moisture before we go in with our styling products. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I love this. It's really thick. I'm going to grab a nice portion of this product and slather it on 2 sections of my hair. I love to section my hair. It's my favorite way to make sure that my curls don't overly clump together and really distribute the product. Next, I'm going to grab this almond oil. I'm going to apply maybe a quarter-sized amount on each section of my hair. The reason I'm doing this is because on this specific day, I really had to run some errands, and I don't know if you've ever let a hair mask dry on your hair, but it's kind of gross and crunchy. So I applied the almond oil not only to act as an additional form of deep conditioning, but to also counteract that crunchiness. This is all the hair that I lost while I was detangling. I try to keep it to a minimum, but now I'm going to grab a wide tooth comb and just quickly style my hair so that I can go ahead and run some errands while my hair is deep conditioning. And just like movie magic, my hair is completely washed and ready for the third step. But really what happened is I worked out and then I jumped right in the shower. So my hair is completely clean. I have all the conditioner out of it. First, we're going to go in with this K18 mask. I apply 4 pumps into my palm and then switch my palm together and apply the product liberally to my hair. I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail and let it sit and marinate and, do its K18 magic. If you don't know about K18, it's kind of like a baby protein treatment. It's supposed to help reconstruct the bonds of the hair. My hair is protein sensitive and it does like K18 a little bit better. So if you're looking for an alternative to an actual protein treatment, definitely try this out. For styling, I'm going to grab my TGIN buttercream, my TGIN Miracle Repair Cream, and then finally I'm going to grab a little bit of Blue Magic. The first product that I'm going to apply liberally all over my hair is the TGIN Daily Moisturizer. I really love this product because it has great slip and it really gets rid of those tangles on my ends and keep my ends very moisturized. One of my problem areas is along my nape or the back of the neck, and this product really keeps those curls hydrated so that they can, grow a little bit longer. We're trying to grow those babies back. Next, I'm going to go in with the curl food. I like this product because it's kind of an in between a cream and an oil. So it really does a great job of hydrating my curls. So you see here that I am just raking my hands through my hair, and this curl food really clumps my curls together and it smells like candy. So I really like this product. It smells great and it does a great job of moisturizing my curls. Finally, I'm going to go in with this Blue Magic. Once I figured this out, it was a game changer for me. Blue Magic does a great job of moisturizing my curls at the ends and keeping fairy knots or very small knots in between my curls from happening throughout the week. So I really like this product. As you can see here, while I'm raking it through my hair, I'm really concentrating that oil along my ends. But basically, me styling my hair, I am just applying those same three products over and over again. If I find that my hair is a little bit dry, I'll apply a little bit more water so that the product rakes through very, very easily. While I'm applying the products, I do adjust how much of each cream I use based on what area of the hair I'm in. So towards the back where it's a little bit more dry, I might use a little bit more curl food, as opposed to in the front, I don't want that much oil on my face throughout the week, so I'm going to use a little bit less curl food. While I'm fast forwarding through this really, really quickly, I am still showing you how much product roughly that I'm using on each section, but really what I'm looking for is with the daily moisturizer, I want my fingers to easily go through my hair and I want my ends to feel nice and moisturized. So you see me combing through my hair, looking at those curls, seeing how they're developing. Once they look very moisturized, I move on to the curl food, and that's where we focus on clumping the curls and getting those nice big curl sections. With the Blue Magic, all I care about is my ends getting that hydration so that we can reduce fairy knots. And that's really just to maintain my wash and go throughout the week. And I believe the only special part of my hair is the front portion. In the front, I apply a little bit less curl food, like I told you before, and I really focus that product along my hairline so it stays nice and moisturized throughout the week. But this is how much hair I lost for my entire shingling process, and then I just went ahead and let my hair air dry. Right here, it's about 75% dry, and you know the deal. I love a good sectioning, and it is time to go ahead and stretch these curls. To stretch my curls, I like to use this blow dryer. It has this really cool diffusing nozzle. I like this over a traditional diffuser because I feel like it doesn't get stuck in my actual curls because they are so small, and it does a really good job of not disrupting the hair shaft itself. I get a lot less frizz with this blow dryer. So what you see here is how I blow dry my hair. I just grab each little section and I apply a tiny bit of tension, but I really focus that heat on my scalp. It just loves moisture. It holds on to it so dearly. So I really want to make sure that that area of my hair is nice and dry, because basically if there's moisture in that area, then it goes down my hair shaft, and then all the wonderful stretching that I do later is just not going to be worth it. So I'm really focusing that heat on my scalp. And then I'm going to grab my handy dandy bag of 100 satin scrunchies. I like to do the banding method to get my hair out of the way while I'm doing the rest of my blow drying, and it actually helps me stretch my hair. I go around my entire head. I blow dry using the diffuser nozzle. I am using high heat. I know I should be very patient, but I'm just not a patient person. And honestly, my hair doesn't get too hot. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that. So I do this entire process on high heat. Once I get all of my hair in those little sections, I just go on with the high heat all over my head and blow dry my scalp one more time. And then I finish off with the cool setting so I'm not walking around sweating. And that's basically it. That's how I do my stretching night one. And I go to sleep. Typically, after I wash day, I'm not doing the entire process. So I just go ahead and go to bed. The very next morning, I take off my bonnet and I add a tiny bit of water to the ends of my hair that have been banded overnight. I'm a pretty rough sleeper, so those are normally a little squished. Once I take out my satin scrunchies, this is what my hair looks like. There's a little bit of wrinkling in my hair, so that's why I want to go ahead and grab that diffuser nozzle again. And I'm really focusing that diffuser on my roots again, just adding a tiny bit of stretch. This seems like a lot of work, but honestly, it doesn't take that long. I think this took me like 10 minutes. I'm doing this right before work. So then I'm just going to go ahead and take each section and really focus on stretching the curls itself. I like to stretch my hair very, very slowly. So I focus on the scalp first, and then I move to the hair shaft because I don't want to over stretch my curls. I really like to have that nice curl definition. That's what we work so hard for. The only portion that I think is actually special in my stretching routine is my bangs, of course. So I am just going to really quickly blow dry my roots. My ends get a tiny bit of stretch, but I don't really focus on stretching them too much because I still love that beautiful coil in the front. And then here I am just choosing which side I want my bang to go. Once that's decided, I just take a little comb, I fix my part a little bit, I add a little edge control to fix my edges, and that's basically it. That is my entire wash and go routine. So is it wash and go? It's more like wash, sleep, and go. But I love it. It leaves my hair super duper hydrated and my curls are so defined by the end. If you end up trying this method, definitely let me know how you like it. I love it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.